How do you say to want, would like, in Chinese?
想，想，想。
How do you say to drink, in Chinese?
喝，喝，喝。
How do you say tea, in Chinese?
茶，茶，茶。
How do you say coffee, in Chinese?
咖啡，咖啡，咖啡。
How do you say, what would you like to drink, in Chinese?
你想喝什么？你想喝什么？你想喝什么？
How do you say, I'd like some tea, in Chinese?
我想喝茶。我想喝茶。我想喝茶。
How do you say, I'd like some coffee, in Chinese?
我想喝咖啡。我想喝咖啡。我想喝咖啡。
How do you say to eat, in Chinese?
吃，吃，吃。
How do you say rice, in Chinese?
米饭，米饭，米饭。
How do you say noodles, in Chinese?
面条，面条，面条。
How do you say, what would you like to eat, in Chinese?
你想吃什么？你想吃什么？你想吃什么？
How do you say, I'd like rice, in Chinese?
我想吃米饭。我想吃米饭。我想吃米饭。
How do you say, I'd like noodles, in Chinese?
我想吃面条。我想吃面条。我想吃面条。
How do you say, I'd like Chinese food, in Chinese?
我想吃中国菜。我想吃中国菜。我想吃中国菜。
How do you say to buy, to purchase, in Chinese?
买，买，买。
How do you say clothes, in Chinese?
衣服，衣服，衣服。
How do you say cup, glass, in Chinese?
杯子，杯子，杯子。
How do you say afternoon, in Chinese?
下午，下午，下午。
How do you say to go, in Chinese?
去，去，去。
How do you say where, in Chinese?
哪儿，哪儿， 哪儿？
How do you say shop, store in Chinese?
商店，商店，商店。
How do you say, where are you going this afternoon in Chinese?
下午你去哪儿？下午你去哪儿？下午你去哪儿？
How do you say, I go to the store in Chinese?
我去商店，我去商店，我去商店。
How do you say, what do you want to buy in Chinese?
你想买什么？你想买什么？你想买什么？
How do you say, I want to buy clothes in Chinese?
我想买衣服。我想买衣服。我想买衣服。
How do you say, I want to buy a cup in Chinese?
我想买杯子。我想买杯子。我想买杯子。
How do you say this in Chinese?
这。
How do you say that in Chinese?
那。
What do you call a general measure word in Chinese?
个。
How do you say this cup in Chinese?
这个杯子。这个杯子。这个杯子。
How do you say that cup in Chinese?
那个杯子。那个杯子。那个杯子。
How do you say how many, how much in Chinese?
多少。多少。多少。
How do you say money in Chinese?
钱。钱。钱。
How do you say how much is this cup in Chinese?
这个杯子多少钱？这个杯子多少钱？这个杯子多少钱？
How do you say how much is that cup in Chinese?
那个杯子多少钱？那个杯子多少钱？那个杯子多少钱？
What do you call a unit of money, same as yuan, in spoken Chinese?
块。块。块。
How do you say 1 yuan in spoken Chinese?
一块。一块。一块。
How do you say 5 yuan in spoken Chinese?
5块。5块。5块。
How do you say 10 yuan in spoken Chinese?
10块。10块。10块。
How do you say 26 yuan in spoken Chinese?
26块，26块，26块。
How do you say 50 yuan in spoken Chinese?
50块，50块，50块。
How do you say 100 yuan in spoken Chinese?
100块，100块，100块。
How do you say in, at, on in Chinese?
在在。
How do you say where in Chinese?
哪儿哪儿哪儿。
How do you say to work, job in Chinese?
工作工作工作。
How do you say son in Chinese?
儿子儿子儿子。
How do you say hospital in Chinese?
医院医院医院。
How do you say doctor in Chinese?
医生医生医生。
How do you say where do you work in Chinese?
你在哪儿工作？你在哪儿工作？你在哪儿工作？
How do you say I work in a hospital in Chinese?
我在医院工作。我在医院工作。我在医院工作。
How do you say where does your son work in Chinese?
你儿子在哪儿工作？你儿子在哪儿工作？你儿子在哪儿工作？
How do you say my son works at school in Chinese?
我儿子在学校工作。我儿子在学校工作。我儿子在学校工作。
How do you say he is a teacher in Chinese?
他是老师。他是老师。他是老师。
How do you say where does your daughter work in Chinese?
你女儿在哪儿工作？你女儿在哪儿工作？你女儿在哪儿工作？
How do you say my daughter works in a hospital in Chinese?
我女儿在医院工作。我女儿在医院工作。我女儿在医院工作。
How do you say she is a doctor in Chinese?
她是医生。她是医生。她是医生。